Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your eToro account with Facebook. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in eToro.com. Press enter on your keyboard and you will then end up in the official site for eToro. Once you end up in the official site, click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner from your homepage. In the login area, there are several options you can log into your account with. You can log in using your username or email followed by your password, or if you want to sign in using one of the social networking sites, you can click on one of these options. In today's video, since we are trying to log in with Facebook, let's pick on the sign in with Facebook option. It'll then open up a new tab where you'll need to enter your Facebook account's credentials. Enter your email or your phone number for facebook.com and enter your password for your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account yet, you will first want to sign up and create a new one. Click on Create New Account option and follow through the instructions to create a new Facebook account. If you already have an account, enter your email or phone number and your password and click Log In, and you will be logged into your eToro account with Facebook. So that's how easily it can be done. If you find the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.